What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, guys? Welcome or welcome back. I am TonyaNicole, y'all. How y'all doing? I am doing fabulous today. Y'all know why? Well, y'all should, boo. It's my favorite subscription, LashyBox. We just got this bad boy in, so we're gonna see what goodies we have inside of here. Also, I want to show you guys what I received from Base Blue Box. This box just, popped up in my P.O. box and I didn't have a card or anything. So I looked up some information and I want to show you guys what they sent to me. So if you guys want to see what's in these two boxes, please keep watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you're doing today on this fabulous Monday. Okay, guys, welcome, welcome, welcome. I hope you all had a fantastic weekend. I did, of course, because I was off this weekend and I did nothing but relax all weekend. Today, guys, is Morgan David Wine Day. Ooh, girl, this is like one of my favorite cheap wines. I splurged a little bit this time, y'all. I bought the big bottle, which is like $9. But y'all, this wine is so good. And I have the blackberry flavor. We're gonna pour some up right quick. Got our glass. Y'all know I gotta hold it like this. It's heavy, y'all. Cheers. Let's take our first sip together. Y'all, this wine have me instantly sweating. I'm telling you, it's so strong, but it's so good. Okay, today, y'all, we have LashyBox, and y'all know my LashyBox unboxings are never long. This is one of my favorite subscriptions, so we just gonna get right on into it. Let's get these specs out the way and open this baby up. For you guys that do not know, LashyBox is a $13.99 per month lash and beauty subscription. You do have to pay shipping on this box, and I don't really know the price, y'all. You get 3 to 4 pairs of lashes each month, a makeup tool, a beauty item. They give you a variety of things in this little box for $13.99 each month. It's supposed to be valued at in between $50 and $80. Y'all know if y'all want to subscribe, my link is down below in a description box. Now, this month they released LashyBox XL, and I think it's like $24 or $25 a month, and you're supposed to get more lashes, bigger palettes, and stuff like that. So I was on the fence about it because I'm like, I like my little $13 box so much. Do I want to get the bigger box? But I don't want to pay $25 a month for a lash subscription. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to do the base box, this regular box here, for a couple months. And then the third month, I'm going to get the XL box. I'm going to kind of do like BoxyCharm. Do the base box for 2 months. Then the third month, I'll do the XL box. Is that cool with y'all? Let me know down in the description below. I don't want both. So y'all let me know down below what y'all want to see. Okay? Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? I do. Okay, so without further ado, let's get this box on and popping, boo. Y'all know what the box look like. There it is right there. And we're going to open her up. Okay. I'm not going to give y'all no little sneak peek. I will try to find the prices to each of these items and link them down below. Also putting a grand total towards the end. So, boo, let's go. Up first, I am seeing from LashyBox, and we have these 3D silk lashes in the style Boss Bay. And I think we just received these lashes maybe a couple months ago. They're cute, though, on the natural side, nice and wispy. They're still TonyaNicole approved-esque for work, I guess. Yeah. So this is our first pair, guys, right here, Boss Bay. We also got from LashyBox. Oh, I don't think we got these before. These are the 3D silk lashes in the style All Nighter. And these two are more on the natural side, but they are TonyaNicole approved. I could see myself definitely wearing these lashes out somewhere. Yeah, I could on a natural day. We also got, and I'm starting to love this brand. This is the Cara Beauty Fabulashes 3D Faux Mink Lashes, and we have the style A4. That's what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. I'm gonna take them out, but I'm telling you guys, I'm really starting to love these lashes because they are nice. They're full and pretty. Look at that. That is gorgeous. I love these. Not too dramatic, but they're not so natural that TonyaNicole can't wear them, you know? And last up, we have this one from Cara Beauty, and it's the 3D faux mink lashes in the style A52 right there. And this is what they look like, guys. I totally love these lashes. These are gorgeous. Definitely short to long, nice and thick. They look like they're layered or stacked. I love it. Adds more drama to the eyes, you know? Y'all, I'm in a great mood today. I hope you guys are really like enjoying your day. I'm telling you, I see that we're getting more subscribers. I just love seeing new faces in the comments. I just love seeing more people added to my bomb ass subscriber squad. So y'all know I see y'all, right? Yes. So up next we have from Naked Cosmetics, and this is a white crystal cosmetic glitter. And this is what the outside packaging is looking like, guys. And I'm not going to open this because y'all know I don't really like glitter, but it's like a white glitter inside of there. I hope you guys can see that. Yeah. And last but not least, wait. They didn't even give us no glue. Okay. Last but not least, I saw these before in my Glow Addict box probably a couple months ago. And this is the Beauty Creations Unicorn Tears Liquid Holographic Highlighter. And I have the shade, I don't know, I guess it's Unicorn. I don't know. But y'all see it's a purple lavender shade right here. It's beautiful, guys. I won't open this because I do not wear liquid highlighters. I'll be putting this in a giveaway, as well as this. And as well as these two pairs of lashes right here. So that was the final product in this month's Lashy box. And we're going to do a recap. And, oh, I don't know, y'all. So we received from LashyBox these two lashes here in the style Boss Bae and All Nighter here. From Cara Beauty, we received these two lashes, the style A52 and A4 here. We received from Beauty Creations these liquid highlighter drops, and also from Naked Cosmetics this cosmetic loose glitter right here. So that's 6 products for this month and no glue. Final thoughts. So I don't know what's going on this month. I was just underwhelmed with this month's Lashy box. Now, I hope they're not pulling like a BoxyCharm where they they start a new box, a bigger box, and they neglect the $13 box because they're focused on the XL box. I hope that's not the case. This month, however, I was a little underwhelmed. The only thing that saved the box for me were these two pairs of lashes right here. Other than that, the rest of the box was just like, okay, I don't know. Ooh, y'all, and y'all know LashyBox is my favorite. They always get 5s or 4s, but this month, I don't know, y'all. I just wasn't really feeling them. Let me know your thoughts on the stuff that we received. I don't know. Maybe it's because I'm used to receiving a lot more or maybe bigger products from LashyBox, but I'm only going to use these 2 pairs of lashes. These are going to go in the giveaway. So, it really wasn't a good month for LashyBox for me. Now, when I do get my Lash Me Monthly, I am going to bring this box back so we can compare the two. But I wasn't feeling it this month. I'm sorry, but I really wasn't. And that's so odd because I always love LashyBox. But anyway, you can't like them all, right, guys? Right. So I can't really be mad at it. This is like the second box, maybe, or third box that I got out of a couple years that I really didn't care for. But hopefully next month they're back and bigger than ever. I will try to get the XL box probably in May, I think. I'm going to look at the spoilers for April and determine from there if I'm going to get April or May. So I'll let you guys know. But if I had to rate this box on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, 3 to damn fire, to 5 being this box is a bomb.com, you know what I'm saying? I'm going to give LashyBox for the month of March. Oh, yeah, we're in March. Oh, my God. I'm going to give LashyBox for the month of March a solid 2.5 to maybe 3. I just wasn't feeling it this month, guys. I think they kind of dropped the ball on the base box this month. And I just hope that they're not doing a BoxyCharm where they forget about the base box and then they just put all of their thought and focus to the XL box and then leave us base boxers hanging. That wouldn't be cool. So let me know down below in the comments what you guys thought of this month's LashyBox. Let me know what your rating would be. Then they didn't give us a glue. So I'm going to give them a 2.5 for this month. Y'all need a dance break and a drink break? Ooh. So guys, really quick, let me show you base box. I went to my post office the other day when I was mailing my giveaway prizes out. And the post office lady was like, girl, you got a package. I said, a package? She said, yes. I said, oh, girl, I'm gonna give it here then, you know? So when she pulled it out, it was this, and they didn't send a card or anything, so I really didn't know too much about the company. I did look inside the box, and I was able to get the prices to some of the products in here, but I will leave the link down below. It's called Base Blue Box. I'll put their link down below for you guys to check them out. It is an online beauty company. So just use the link and look around, guys, because I didn't want to make this video too long. I'm just going to go through the box really quick, give you guys some of the prices, and that's going to be that. Okay, cool. Let's get to it. They sent over 4 pairs of lashes. Let me just show you guys quickly. Now, I do like their little container for their lashes. So this is one lash, and you flip it over. And this is the other side. That is really, really, really cute. I love this. And they focus on more of a natural lash. I was reading a little bit about the company. Their thoughts are that the lashes should complement your lashes that you already have. So I guess they're more like on the natural side, but y'all know TonyaNicole is never natural. I love dramatic. However, some of these do look dramatic. These two were like the natural pair right here. And then they sent over these 2 right here. So I will be trying these out and seeing what they look like. I do love the packaging. I'm gonna open one really quick so we can see. Let me take it out. Oh, that's cute. So this is how one side, and they do feel really soft. They're faux mink lashes, guys. And this is the other side. So I do like the packaging on these. It's very nice. And oh my God, it's very nice and creative. I do like that. They also sent over some sponges. This one cracked, y'all, but ooh, it feels very soft. They sent over this sponge here. And this is how the packaging is supposed to look. And this is the other sponge. So they sent over these 2, which I will be using in a future video as well. They do feel really soft and squishy. And then we have this box right here, and I'm gonna open it up, and inside we have this piece here. It comes in 2 pieces, guys. And then we have this piece here. So it's a 2-in-1 brush. You use this piece right here for your eye look, eye makeup. This is very innovative. I love this. This is so cute. And then this part here screws on here. And you have, oh, this is nice. You have a big, huge powder brush. How beautiful is that, guys? How pretty is that? Now, I do have the price on this brush. The prices of the sponges, the beige one, $7.85, guys. I wrote down some of the prices. The pink one was $6.75. The lashes vary from $11 to $12. And this brush is $24.99. And it feels so nice and so fluffy. Ooh, I can't wait to use this. So yes, guys, I just wanted to show you guys a few things that they sent over. Thank you, Base Blue, for considering me. So guys, that's all that I have for today's video. I hope you guys would consider subscribing to your girl. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday with the occasional Saturday bonus upload at 8 a.m. Central Standard Time on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and at 2 p.m. on Saturdays when I do post bonus videos. Please follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active. I also have my Twitter and Facebook down below in the description. I will put my link for LashyBox in the description, as well as the link for Base Blue Box in the description for you guys just to look around. And yes, that's all that I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you all are having a wonderful Monday and had a great weekend. Y'all know I want to know all about it. So let me know what y'all did. So guys, until next time and next video, you all stay blessed. Make sure you got your drink and you drinking it up with TonyaNicole. Ooh, a dance break and a drink break. I'll see you guys in the comments and on my next video. Bye.